Hey guys, I am at the Lowe's because I didn't know that they had a sale going on. So we are going to go into this Lowe's and see exactly what sales they got popping. I don't know when the sale is over. So if it has a couple of days before the sale is over, I'll get this video up as soon as I get home, ASAP, because I always want my fellow gardeners and my family to know about what's the sales they got going on out here in these YouTube streets. Because you know me, I'm always out here and I'm always searching for a deal that I know you guys can partake for your garden, and we need to grab as many sales as we can with these prices out here. So let me show you that I am actually at Lowe's. See, I'm at Lowe's and I can see from a distance that they have soil for 5 for 10, and then they have another soil which is 2 for 14, and then they still have their mulch on sale, 5 for 10. That's all I can see from the car. All right, guys, let's go inside and see what's happening. All right, you guys, they have their 5 for 10 on the I think it's on the herbs and the vegetables, and this sale goes off on the 13th, which is today. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna get some more basil because I need some more basil, and they still have the same thing that I told you about before. They have like their bell peppers. So I'm gonna get some basil, but let's see what else they have going on here. I need to get a zucchini, and I need to get, I think that's all I need is just a zucchini, because my zucchinis didn't do so well. So let me go snag a basket and let's get our shop on. They have this sale going on. It's 4 for 10, but it's only for tomatoes. And as you can see, it is started on the 7th of May and it ends on the 13th, which is today. So if you guys are in your Lowe's and you haven't picked up some of your starts, Lowe's is the day to go. But I'm still looking for my zucchini, and I still haven't got my basket yet. So let's go get my basket. You guys, they have this organic all-purpose plant food for it was $13.48. Now it's $11.48, and this is what it looks like. And then they have this Miracle Grow organic 20-count planting tablet. Was $10.28. Now it's $8.28. And this is what it looks like right here. I've never tried these before. If you guys have tried these, let me know. And then they have this Miracle Grow 32-ounce liquid all-purpose plant food. Was $13.48. It's $11.48, and that's what that looks like. All right, I'll keep finding the deals for you guys. And I wanted to try this fish emulsion, but this is $20.49. Is that the normal price? I'm gonna try Walmart and see how much theirs is going for, because I want to try it this season, but I don't know if that's a good price or a bad price. So you guys let me know down in the comments. All right, guys, I'm just roaming through the garden center, letting you guys see what I see as I'm pushing this basket along. Lantana, those are $5. So I know you guys like to see what Lowe's has.
I have one more graphic. You have one box on the stick back here that doesn't have graphics. I'll get that.
This is my favorite plant right here, is the blanket flower, which looks like this. And it is $7.98. So let's keep on trucking. They got the daylilies, and they are $7.98. They got the Shasta daisies, which I love, which looks like this. And those are $7.98. And these are the verbenas. They're $7.98. They got the lilies in a pot for $26, let's say $27. Then they have the begonias in a pack for $13.98. See here. And then they have your hanging baskets with your geraniums. Well, let's go look at the clearance. Clearance, clearance, clearance. You know, I always like to look at the clearance. They have a daylily here. They have a big old begonia basket. Then they have some verbena, petunias. Don't see anything over here. And these are butternut daisies. And they got the ferns rolling out over here. And over here, I'll swing you over there is where they have their mulch. And it's for 3 for $10. 3 for $10, guys. Used to be 5 for $10. And they have their hanging baskets. These need some serious watering. Nothing over here, I see. So let's go over here and get some soil. And Miss Renee needs some soil. Woohoo! And here's the roses, as always. The roses are always beautiful. Let's go get us some soil. Do I need another bag of black cow? I think I got a bag of black cow already in there. How much is black cow? Black cow is $6. Let's see what else we can see. Oh, this is that soil I was telling you about. The organic raised bed soil, 2 for $14, and it's this one. Then they have 2 for $15. This soil is the garden soil for trees and shrubs. 2 for $15. And then they have their soil, which I'm going to get. We get more 5 of these bags. So they have 5 for $10. And that's what I'm going to get. So hold on, let me load them up. Okay, and they've got their potting mix. Twice a big bag, it says. And it's a Miracle Grow. 25 quart, 2 for $16. And it's this right here. All right, let's see what else we can find. All right, guys, they have the Canis on, and they are $16.98. See how windy it is? It's blowing, blowing, blowing. And they got these big old hanging baskets. They got this one with the Gerber daisies for $16.98. And then they have these big ones for $40. And that's what they look like. You're paying for the basket, so remember that. All right. So let's go get my zucchini plant. And as soon as I get over there, I'll cut you back on. Hey guys, this is all the sales that they have going on. Give you guys a little overview. So, like I said, it goes off on the 13th, which is today. So, I got on this sale late, but I'm giving it to you now. Those are gorgeous, but they're like $30. Whew, beautiful. You guys can put that together because they got creeping jennies in there. They got begonias. They got a fern in there. And this one is beautiful. This one is gardenia. Look at that. Pretty, huh? For $40. And look at this one now. This is a showstopper right here. Look at this one. Look at this one, you guys. This one is beautiful. And now this one was $40. This one. And this one is only $29. But look at that. Got the creeping Jenny in there. And then they have, let's see what other plants they got in here. They have coleus, begonia, which I think this begonia right here is beautiful. Look at that. Now, begonia is like the shade. And this is a smaller version because this one's on a pedestal. You see this pedestal? And this one isn't on a pedestal. How much is this one? And this one's $24. And it tells you that it's part sun. So this one is a smaller version of this one. So this is a shade loving group of plantings right here. Same as the smaller version. But this begonia right here is a stunner. Look at that. The color is so vibrant. It is beautiful. And then they have this yellow begonia right here. And this one is for 25 too. Look at the color of the yellow one. Beautiful. Beautiful. And if you want a different type of, it's like a kaleidoscope. It has like different types of coleus in there. Look at that. Chartreuse leaves that turns different colors, which are gorgeous. So, I mean, if you don't want to take the time to make your flower arrangement, wait till these go on sale, because they'll put them on sale, especially at the end of the season. This is a time to come and grab these planters. Mainly, I get these pots, these planters, these plant arrangements for the pot. I love that. And then I can put whatever I want to grow into that pot. And they got the ivy here for $2.98. And then they have these, which is the impatiens, which impatiens don't do well for me. And they are $1.98. So they will be putting out a whole bunch of other sales. So just keep your eyes peeled. And like I said, I just happened to come into Lowe's to get some soil, and this is what I found. So let's keep looking and see what other things we can find. Look at this bad boy. This one is called a Grow Beautiful. It's a begonia fern combo for 40 bucks. This is what it has in there. Beautiful begonias. Has a painted fern. Here's the fern. Gorgeous. And I like this pedestal. That's beautiful. Beautiful. They got all kind of different varieties. But I mean, if you can put that in your budget for 40 bucks, this is what I look for. These planters right here. It's beautiful though. Gorgeous. Alright guys, so I went into Lowe's, picked up my soil, picked up a couple of plants. I wanted to get some of those 98-cent geraniums, but of course they were all out and they weren't allowed for any kind of other substitutions other than the 98-cent geraniums. So I just can't believe I slipped on not knowing about that deal, you guys. I'm sorry. You know, I've been working hard in the garden, and so some told me to come to Lowe's because I needed some soil, and poof, soon as, like I said, you saw me, as soon as I got up here, I showed you guys the marquee of some of the deals that they had in there. So some of the deals are good. So like I said, today's your last day. So as soon as I get home, I will pop this video out. I hope I don't have another video for today. But if I do, you know, I will try to see if I can get another video out on the same day, maybe at a little different time. But your girl gonna get this video out for you today. All right, so I am heading to do some more errands. If I see any other good deals, you know your girl will bring them to you. All right, woohoo! 1 down, 3 to go. I got 3 more spots to go. All right, guys, get out there to Lowe's, score those deals if you can. And Miss Renee will see you in the next video. All right, guys, take care.